How can I tell if my lasagna is cooked all the way through using temperature as an indicator?
Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to address a common question that many of us have faced while cooking lasagna. How can I tell if my lasagna is cooked all the way through using temperature as an indicator? We'll be going over what temperature is ideal and how to check it, ensuring your lasagna comes out perfectly cooked every time.
Why is temperature important?
Just like with many other dishes, the temperature of your lasagna is crucial because it not only guarantees a delicious result, but also ensures food safety. The right temperature ensures that all ingredients, especially any meats, are fully cooked and safe to eat.
What's the ideal temperature for cooked lasagna?
When checking the temperature of your lasagna, the goal is to reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, at the center of the dish. This is the temperature recommended by the USDA for food safety, as it is high enough to kill off any harmful bacteria.
How to check the temperature of your lasagna?
To check the temperature of your lasagna, you'll need a food thermometer. Insert the probe of your thermometer into the center of your lasagna, making sure to avoid touching the bottom of the baking dish. If the temperature reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, your lasagna is fully cooked.
What if my lasagna isn't at the ideal temperature?
If your lasagna isn't at the ideal 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, don't worry. Simply return it to the oven for additional cooking time, then recheck the temperature. Depending on how far off the temperature is, you may need to add 10 to 15 minutes of extra baking time. Keep an eye on the top of the lasagna to ensure it doesn't burn. Knowing the correct internal temperature of your lasagna and how to check it properly is a valuable skill for any home cook. Now you can confidently prepare lasagna that is both delicious and safely cooked. Enjoy your cooking journey, and remember that patience and practice make perfect.